Hello friends, I am Prashant. Welcome to our channel Shiksha Advisor. We are leading education and career coach based in India, providing the best counseling services and step-by-step proper guidance to our students. Today I am going to discuss on an important topic, how to choose the right MBA or PGDM colleges. Friends, getting admission in BE school is not a one-way but a two-way process. Along with you choosing the right management institute should also choose you. As a fact, each and every institute wants to have the right brains. There are more than 3000 plus educational institute which is providing MBA or PGDM courses. So the task of choosing the right BE schools among the student and the parent become very difficult these days because there are no standard parameter or any universally accepted criteria in our country. So now there are so many questions and queries popping up in your mind how to choose right BA schools. So friend, we'll discuss a few important factors and parameters which should be taken care. Let's discuss few important factors and parameters that one should be taken care before making the right decision. The first one is accreditation. There are several national or international accreditation body which is giving accreditation or recognition to a management institutes. In India, the most famous are AICTE, AIU, NIRF and NAC. And there are several international body also like AACSB and AMBA which is giving accreditation or recognition to the MBA colleges, especially for the MBA courses. Misleading information or advertisement. Rather, you should check by own what kind of profile is being offered by the companies, and that should meet your expectation. And whereas ROI is a very buzzword among the students, MBA students especially, ROI means how much fees you are paying for your study of 2 years and what minimum package you are getting after the successful completion of your course, whether it is MBA or PGDM. The next parameter is alumni. Alumni is the mirror of any institutions which make them stand tall. The older the BE schools, the higher base of the alumni, which leads to the great exposure and the great opportunity while you are studying MBA. So before choosing any college, you can connect with the alumni through the social media like LinkedIn and Facebook. Through LinkedIn, you can connect with the alumni of that particular college. You can gather more and more information about the college, about the faculties, about the placement, about the profile being offered by the alumni. The next parameter is faculty of the institution. Faculty is the main pillar of the institute because he is the one who is going to mentor you, who is going to guide you during the entire course of your management course. So you can check the profile of faculty also on the college or institution website because these days so many institutions are providing information on their official website. The next parameter is infrastructure. Infrastructure of a good management institutes includes well-stocked library, well-equipped classroom, auditorium, residential accommodation, indoor-outdoor sports facility, playgrounds, which leads to a overall development of an individual. So, friend, if it is possible to go and visit the institute personally, then you should go there and you have a chance also to meet the present students studying over there and you can discuss with them regarding the college and its facility. So friend, if you like my video, stay tuned with us and I wish you all the best for all the upcoming MBA entrance examination. If you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update by Shiksha Advisor. Thanks.